Many different types of information need to be maintained and tracked in detail when working with partners for your mortgage loans. In addition to storing contact information, updating mortgage details, and logging communication between your borrowers, partners, and yourself, BNTouch also enables you to store documents that may be relevant to your partners. In each partner's record, you will have the ability to upload files, transmit them to that partner, update document statuses, and handle e-signatures for that partner in your CRM. The first step in handling partner documents is to open their record in the Partnerships tab. You can do this by clicking their blue Name link. In the Documents sub-tab of their record, files can be managed for your own use or transmission to that partner. The first area that will appear here is the Document Storage and Sharing list. This list will show files that you and other users have uploaded, as well as those submitted via partner portals. New files can be uploaded using the Add Document button. Here, you can drag and drop a file into the topmost area, or use the Choose File button to select one from your computer. You can also enter a brief description in the text field. This description is for your own benefit, and clients will not see it with the file. Please note that the maximum file size for each individual document you upload is 20 megabytes. The file will be added to the record list once you click the Upload Files button. You will be returned to the document list, and the new file will appear here. Files can be downloaded by clicking the File Name link, and details about each file will display below, including who uploaded it and when, its size and description, and whether it has been shared with any other participants. Actions can be taken for each file using the ellipsis icon to the right, including options to download, edit, and delete the document. In addition, you can also set a document's status here. This allows you to track files and search through documents more easily. You can choose from a list of statuses or enter a custom one in the text field. The Status Management link will let you add new statuses for your business, delete old ones you no longer use, and choose one to set as a default status for newly uploaded documents. Multiple files can be downloaded, deleted, or given a status using the checkboxes to the left and the drop-down menu above the list. You can also view any recently deleted files by clicking Deleted Documents above. From this list, you can restore documents to the previous storage or permanently delete them from your CRM. Any documents that need to be securely signed by partners and made available to you and other users in your account will appear at the bottom of this page in the e-signed documents list. This feature is only available for accounts that have the e-signing module enabled by their administrator. If you are interested in securely acquiring signatures from your partners, please contact your administrator. Here, you can see the document name and when the signature request was made, the date it was signed, the signer, and their IP address, and a link to download the file. For files that have not been signed yet, a pending message will appear in the Signed Date field. You can send a new request message to the partner by clicking the Request Again button, which will renew the requested signature date for that document. Pending documents will show the requested signer's name, but the IP address and download link will not be available until they have completed the signature. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.